We are Transformer Table, creators and designers of the most advanced multifunctional dining furniture ever. We launched right here on Kickstarter 5 years ago.
The Canadian-made Transformer Table has revolutionized the furnishing business.
Wow.
I love your product. I think it's great.
And since then, not only did we become the most successful furniture Kickstarter of all time,
I absolutely love the look of this table,
but the most funded Canadian campaign ever, manufacturing and shipping over 30,000 products, even in challenging times. We transformed the lives and homes of over 20,000 families, over 120 countries. Our Kickstarter backers are proud to say that they own the most versatile and adaptable pieces of furniture on the market.
In our ongoing mission of making your home a better place, we thought to ourselves, where should we be moving on next? We finally realized that this whole time we have been sitting on the problem. Turns out, modern couches are not so modern after all. In fact, they haven't changed at all.
Standard couches and sectionals are very bulky and heavy. Not to mention they could be a pain in your back when you need to get rid of them. They aren't necessarily configurable for your everyday needs. Couches and sectionals are hard to clean and aren't durable long term. You're always stuck with the same style and configuration for as long as you own that couch. Bottom line, we had our work cut out for us, and we got it done. Introducing the world's most multifunctional and modular couch, the Transformer Couch. Living room furniture that offers no compromises, ever. The fully adjustable, configurable, versatile seating arrangement that is built and designed to adapt to any lifestyle and space, no matter where or how you live. We made this couch perfect, portable, movable, and compact, modular, space-saving, and adaptable, built to last and robust. We even made them so you can always have the couch that you want when you want it. Want a new look and feel? Simple. Mix it up with a new set of covers. While creating the most adaptable and multifunctional couch, we thought to ourselves, what do people really want out of their couch? Comfort. Our mission was simple, creating the most amazingly comfortable and endlessly rearrangeable seating experience. Everything from the hardwood used, seating platform materials and spring supports, high-density foams, fillings, fabric, all the way to the wiring used for the covers have been thought of to make these couches perfect, delivering durability, longevity, and incredible comfort. But after over a year of development and design, the only true test was using it. And they all loved it. Every single component of your living requirements have been incorporated within the Transformer Couch. Our couches are the best all year round option, no matter your lifestyle. Lightweight and compact. All the components fit in the box. Assemble it in seconds. Connect the pieces together and create your preferred configuration. Do whatever you want, when you want it. Make it a sectional, a conversation set, a lounger, a bed, an accent chair, or wherever your imagination brings you. Keep your home organized with our integrated storage compartment. Your couch will always stay clean and fresh with our super durable and machine washable covers. Oh, and don't worry about that big move. Change your style in seconds with over 10 different colors and fabric types. Timberwolf gray, canary yellow, peacock blue, charcoal gray, navy blue, midnight black, pearl white, earthstone, lagoon blue, cardinal red. No matter who or how you live, this couch was built and designed for everyone. Whether you're the movie enthusiast, the sports fan, the reader, the napper, the gamer, the toddler, or if you want to create your own playground, the Transformer Couch was designed for you. One couch, endless possibilities.
This is our 5th Kickstarter, and we need your help. Back us today and bring the Transformer Couch to life. Take advantage of the pre-market prices and get a free couch with every pledge.